I think it might be time for a drink.
It's always time for another drink.
If you're looking for a cocktail with a festive twist, our creative content editor, John, has got just the drink for you.
Welcome to the annual festival of hard work, stress, and dealing with the kids. Christmas. To help you take the edge off, I recommend a good old-fashioned gin, something I like to call the Gingle Bell Cocktail. First, grab yourself a festive glass. Too big. Still too big. No. Perfect. Here, we like to dress to impress.
And you chose that.
Anyway, grab a glass and fill it with ice. Then, add 60 ml of cranberry juice. So sweet. Then, add a firm but gentle squeeze of lime juice. Add 30 ml of self-preservation, delicious gin. The perfect alcohol of intrigue, originality, and virility. It's a drink that hopefully earned me a few brownie points with the bosses. Marry all this with a pinch of caster sugar. And the best part, top it off with 125 ml of chilled, bubbly Prosecco. PSA, if you are not an expert popping a cork, like me, make sure not to hit anyone in the eye. We'll fix that in post. Then, garnish with a wedge of lime and a sprig of fresh mint. Why not?
Not a bad drink. I do have a little bit of feedback though. All you really need is a bottle of gin and a straw.
Drink responsibly.